Today we're going to learn about subjects, simple subjects, and complete subjects. What is a subject? A subject is who or what the sentence is about. It tells who or what does the action. Let's read some example sentences and we'll identify the subject of each one. Birds fly. Maria helps. Children read. In the first sentence, birds fly, what is the action? The action is fly. So, who or what is doing that action? Birds. Birds is the subject of the sentence. In the next sentence, Maria helps, what is the action? The action is helps. Who or what is doing that action? Maria. Maria is the subject of that sentence. In the third sentence, children read. What is the action? The action is read. Who or what is doing that action? Children. Children is the subject of that sentence. Simple subject. A simple subject is the main word in a subject. A simple subject is one word. Again, let's read some examples and then we'll identify the simple subject in each one. One large truck passed our car. The small turtles were by the lake. A scary spider crawled down the wall. Let's look at the first sentence again. One large truck passed our car. What is the action in this sentence? The action is past. Who or what is doing that action? Truck. In this sentence, truck is the simple subject. Next, the small turtles were by the lake. What word shows the action of this sentence? Were. So who or what is doing that action? Who or what were by the lake? Turtles. Turtles is the simple subject of this sentence. And finally, a scary spider crawled down the wall. What is the action in this sentence? The action is crawled. Who or what did that action? Spider. Spider is the simple subject of this sentence. Simple subject practice. Now let's practice finding the simple subjects. Instructions. Find the simple subjects. Remember, it might be helpful to first find the action of the sentence. Then you can identify the simple subject by telling who or what did that action. Number 1. We went to school at 7:30 a.m. Number 2. Every student finished the exam. Number 3. The cute dog ran inside quickly. Number 4. The zoo near their house has polar bears. Number 5. That flower in our garden is beautiful. Pause the video while you work. Remember that each simple subject will be only one word. Are you ready to check your answers? Let's check. Number 1. We went to school at 7:30 a.m. First, let's identify the action of the sentence, and then we can identify the simple subject that did the action. What's the action word of this sentence? The action word is went. Who or what did that action? We. We is the simple subject of this sentence. Number 2. Every student finished the exam. What is the action of this sentence? The action is finished. Who or what did this action? Every student. But remember, the simple subject is only one word, the main word. So which one is it? student. Number 3, the cute dog ran inside quickly. What's the action in this sentence? The action is ran. Who or what ran? The cute dog ran. But remember, the simple subject is one word, so which word is it? Dog. Number 4, the zoo near their house has polar bears. What is the action of this sentence? The action is has polar bears. So who or what has polar bears? The zoo. Now this one was a little tricky because there's also the noun house. But the house isn't doing the action of this sentence. The house doesn't have polar bears. Who or what has polar bears? The zoo. So the answer is zoo. Number 5, that flower in our garden is beautiful. What's the action of this sentence? Is beautiful. Who or what is beautiful? That flower. And what's the main word? Flower. So flower is the simple subject. And again, this could be confusing because you also have the noun garden. But in this sentence, we are saying the flower is beautiful, not that the garden is beautiful. So the simple subject is flower. Now let's talk about complete subjects. A complete subject is all words in a subject. This includes the subject and words that modify or describe the subject. Let's read the same examples as before, but this time, instead of identifying the simple subject, which is one word, we'll identify the complete subject that is more than one word. One large truck passed our car. The small turtles were by the lake. A scary spider crawled down the wall. In the first sentence, one large truck passed our car. What is the action? The action is passed or passed our car. Who or what passed our car? One large truck. The complete subject is one large truck. And if you remember, the simple subject is just one word, truck. Next, the small turtles were by the lake. What's the action? The action is were, or were by the lake. Who or what were by the lake? The small turtles. That is the complete subject. It contains the simple subject. Do you remember what the simple subject was? The simple subject was just the word turtles. So the complete subject contains the simple subject. The complete subject is the small turtles. And finally, a scary spider crawled down the wall. What's the action? The action is crawled or crawled down the wall. Who or what crawled down the wall? A scary spider. A scary spider is the complete subject. Do you remember the simple subject? In that sentence, the simple subject was only the main word spider. Let's practice some more examples. Complete subject practice. Instructions. Find the complete subjects. We'll use the same sentences that we used before when we practiced simple subjects, but this time you'll find the complete subject. I would recommend first identifying the action and then identify the complete subject that did that action. Number 1, we went to school at 7:30 a.m. Number 2, every student finished the exam. Number 3, the cute dog ran inside quickly. Number 4, the zoo near their house has polar bears. Number 5, that flower in our garden is beautiful. Pause the video while you work. Are you ready to check your answers? Let's check. Number 1. We went to school at 7:30 a.m. What's the action of this sentence? The action is went or went to school at 7:30 a.m. Who or what did this action? We. We is the complete subject of this sentence. Usually, complete subject will be more than one word, but in this case, no other words modify or describe we, so we is the complete subject. Number 2. Every student finished the exam. What's the action of this sentence? The action is finished or finished the exam. Who or what finished the exam? Every student. Every student is the complete subject. It includes the simple subject student and the word every because every modifies or describes student. Number 3. The cute dog ran inside quickly. What's the action of this sentence? Ran or ran inside quickly. Who or what ran inside quickly? The cute dog. The cute dog is the complete subject. The simple subject of that sentence is dog. But remember, the complete subject includes all words that modify or describe dog. So, the cute dog is the complete subject. Number 4. The zoo near their house has polar bears. What's the action of this sentence? The action is has or has polar bears. So, who or what has polar bears? The zoo near their house. That's the complete subject. If you remember, the simple subject of this sentence was zoo, because the zoo is who or what has polar bears. But near their house describes or modifies zoo, so that is included in the complete subject. And finally, number 5. That flower in our garden is beautiful. What's the action in this sentence? The action is or is beautiful. So who or what is beautiful? That flower in our garden. This is the complete subject, and if you remember, the simple subject was flower. But the complete subject includes all other words in the sentence that modify flower. So, it includes more than one word. In our garden modifies flower. It tells where the flower was. That modifies flower because it tells which flower. So the complete subject is that flower in our garden. We've reached the end of the video. Our subject practice for today is complete. I hope this video helped you understand what a subject is and how to identify it. Thank you for watching.